Hello everyone, I'm Cynthia Ruth, and in this video I will share with you ways to deal with aggression and violence in students. Also, don't miss my bonus tip at the end of this video. So if this video is for you, let's get right to it.
Welcome to Ruth Straight Talk, the channel designed to help teachers, parents, and students live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be.
Aggressive behavior is common among youth, especially young children. However, families and teachers can take steps to reduce violence and aggression in their homes and in the classroom. There are two types of aggression, physical and verbal aggression. Examples of physical aggression is biting, hitting, kicking. Examples of verbal aggression is saying no to parents and teachers' rules, screaming or shouting, or using profanity. Children with developmental disabilities. Most children with developmental disabilities are not any more violent or aggressive than other children. However, some children may feel a lot of frustration related to their developmental disability, and this frustration is sometimes shown through aggression or even self-harming behaviors such as banging their heads or cutting their skin. Other children have conditions that are more directly connected to aggressive behavior. For example, children with oppositional defiant disorder or ODD are often annoyed and angry, and they argue with adults in order to gain control. It is important to remember that everyone has times when they get frustrated and angry, and children should be taught that frustration is normal. It is best to try to understand the reasons behind the aggression and the violence. Knowing this will help parents and teachers work towards reducing the problems and teach the child ways to cope with that frustration. So what can parents and teachers do? There's no single way to reduce aggression and violence in all children. Some things to consider are the child's age, their disability, and the goals of the family or the classroom. Here are some ways that parents and teachers can create an environment in which violence and aggression becomes less common. Number 1, walk the talk. Do not use aggression or violence yourself. Your students or children are looking at you and they're using you as a role model. If you are violent, they will become violent. If you are aggressive, they will become aggressive. Number 2, do your best to keep your home life and classroom calm, supportive, and respectful. Children need to feel loved and cared for and respected both in the home and in the classroom. Number 3, if your child is acting aggressively, reinforce alternative or competing behaviors. For example, you could keep a drawing pad handy or play a game that requires your child's calm attention, such as I Spy. Number 4, be sure to praise good behavior immediately and often, and let them know what behavior you're praising. For example, you can say to them, Johnny, you put away your books all within the time frame, and I thank you for that. Good job, Johnny. Number 5, help your child articulate his or her feelings. Talking through their emotions help children of all ages. Number 6, work with your child to develop strategies such as deep breathing, walking away from the situation, or counting to 10 to calm him or her when he or she is feeling scared, angry, or frustrated. Number 7, for some children it is best to explain consequences for misbehavior ahead of time. It is important that the child understands the consequences before they are enforced. Number 8, once you have set up consequences, enforce them. If bad behavior is not addressed regularly, it may continue or even get worse. Number 9, identify triggers and take steps to stop them or avoid them. Notice when and where the child is most aggressive or violent and try to avoid those places or those situations. The bonus strategy, what to do in a meltdown. If the child is in a state of meltdown, ensure safety first. You must remain calm and put some distance between yourself and the child. Put a chair or another large object between the child and others. Do not try to reason with the child. If necessary, call for help. If not, simply wait it out, and after the child has calmed down, then you could try to discuss the problem. So there you have it, several ways to deal with aggression and violence in a student.
Thank you so much for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com. If this video has helped you, please like us and leave us a comment at the bottom of the screen. And please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.